If you're experiencing lag spikes while playing Apex Legends, calibrating your settings can help improve your gaming experience. Follow these steps to optimize your gameplay. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable. Use a wired connection if possible, as it tends to be more reliable than Wi-Fi. You can also run a speed test to check your download and upload speeds. Step 2. Adjust in-game settings. Lower your graphics settings in Apex Legends. Navigate to the settings menu and reduce options like texture quality, shadow detail, and anti-aliasing. This can help improve performance and reduce lag spikes. Step 3. Optimize network settings. Access your router settings and enable quality of service QoS if available. This feature prioritizes gaming traffic over other types of internet usage, which can help minimize lag during gameplay. Step 4. Close background applications. Before launching Apex Legends, close any unnecessary applications running in the background. Programs that use bandwidth or CPU resources can contribute to lag spikes, so it is best to minimize their impact. Step 5. Update drivers in-game. Make sure your graphics drivers in Apex Legends are up to date. Check for updates on your gaming platform and install any available patches. Keeping everything updated can resolve performance issues and improve stability. By following these steps, you should be able to reduce lag spikes and enjoy a smoother gaming experience in Apex Legends. Happy gaming!